Let's find a new cuckoo.
Yeah.
But we need to hurry. The clocks are about to strike 12.
Ooh.
Hey, this must be one of Warehouse Mouse's clocks.
Looks like cheese.
Oh, it smells like cheese.
Hey guys, come here. I found a cuckoo clock. Maybe the cuckoo inside this clock is just like the other one.
That's a funny looking cuckoo.
Actually, it's my burrow clock. Isn't it great?
Oh no. Guys, look.
The clocks are about to strike 12!
We need our emergency earmuffs, quick!
Come on. Oh no! Hurry, Smitty! Hurry! Whew. That was close, huh, guys? Guys, you can take your earmuffs off now.
You don't have to yell.
Sorry.
Hey, look at this. Ooh. Clock parts. Maybe there's a cuckoo in there.
Gears. Look. Clock hands. And hey, a cuckoo.
And it looks just like Nina's.
Now we'll fix Nina's clock in no time. We'll just replace the broken cuckoo with this one.
What's your name? Cuckoos are a little shy.